Atosa is a very very dear friend of mine. जब भी उनके कोई प्रीव्यूज़ होते हैं विद डिज़ाइनर्स आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर हर. आज तो डबल वैमी है क्योंकि आज के दिन मैं अपर्णा के लिए भी आई हूँ और आज जो डिज़ाइनर शोकेस कर रहे हैं रजत टंगड़ी, जिनकी मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. आई लव हिज़ वर्क, तो उनके लिए भी मैं आई हूँ. इट्स रियली नाइस टू बी हियर फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम टुडे. और जब भी मैं रजत के कलेक्शन को देखती हूँ, ही जस्ट बेटर्स हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द लास्ट टाइम एंड दिस टाइम इज़ नो डिफरेंट. अभी फेस्टिव सीज़न के लिए उन्हें और पार्टी सीज़न के लिए उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन निकाला है एंड आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ वेयरिंग लॉट ऑफ दीज ब्यूटिफुल गारमेंट्स. ओह, रिटेल बहुत ही मुश्किल है. मैं क्या बोलूँ. बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बट दैट्स बिसाइड्स द पॉइंट. वी आर नॉट हियर टू टॉक अबाउट माई स्टोर, वी आर हियर टू टॉक अबाउट दीज वंडरफुल डिज़ाइनर्स who are showcasing today, Deepa and Rajat. और जैसे कि मैं अभी कह रही थी, रजत के बहुत सारे गाउन्स भी मैंने पहने हैं, ड्रेसेस भी मैंने पहने हैं. आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ हिज वर्क एंड आई हैड टू बी हियर फॉर हिम टुडे.
Thank you so much.
What is the specialty of the store as such? क्या specialty है?
Actually, Atosa is a.
इनसे पूछने से पहले एक और चीज़ में one last question to me and then we can hand over to you. The thing about Atosa is जो अपर्णा और अज़मीना क्यूरेट करते हैं, ख़ुद क्यूरेट करते हैं, उनके शेल्व्स पर जो डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, जो गारमेंट्स हैं, I want to wear every like 9 out of 10 things over here. Beautifully curated, lot of attention to detail, a lot of her sensibility. Aparna's sensibility is in this store, and that's what I like. Lot of beautiful, tasteful clothes here.
Thanks.
Over to you.
So, what is the specialty of this store?
Well, I have been like I started my career basically. This was the second store that I, started like collaborating with, and Atosa has been like they like now they've become like a part of the whole my design house basically, like, in the sense like they're like family to me now. So also like every single person who like as Mandira just said, like the way they curate things, it's just really really interesting. I mean, you'll find something for every body type, every like so they keep everything in consideration, like the kind of silhouettes that they kind of scout and things like that.
Sensibility.
Yeah, sensibility is like very very like it's basically it will cater to everybody who would like walk in.
What do you prefer the store as such?
I think they're incredible people. That's the most important thing, and unki customer service is fantastic, and I think that is very very important. They make every customer feel very special, and I think when you walk into a store, you're always nervous about what's going to look good on you, and they're very truthful, very honest, and then they tell you exactly what's good for you and what's not.
They work really hard on keeping fashion up to date. The trends are really up to date. They know exactly what they're doing, and we're so excited to be a part of this. Rajat Tangri with Deepa Gurnani has been a fantastic collaboration, and we're excited to do much more things down the line.
Thanks.
Thank you.
सबसे पहले पूछना चाहूँगा और स्टोर कैसे लगा क्रिएशन?
आई थिंक अभी तक मैंने शुरुआत ही की है और व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ रजत रंगरीज आउटफिट आई थिंक इट्स ब्यूटीफुल रेड एंड ब्लैक में उन्होंने कुछ डिफरेंट स्टाइल दिया है जो आई थिंक आप क्रिसमस में भी पहन सकते हैं, न्यू ईयर में भी पहन सकते हैं, वेडिंग में भी पहन सकते हैं एंड आई जस्ट लव द फिट what it is. So I'm gonna look around how it is, what it is. पहले एक बार आई भी हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, but this is the second time I'm coming here and I love this place.
In general life, are you simple and casual or are you fashionable?
In general life, I'm very casual mostly. I mean, I prefer this kind of outfit. This is so me. Thank you, Rajat, for this. And over the top जाके थोड़ा वो मतलब अच्छा लगता है wedding में कभी-कभी it looks good. But this is something which is like you can dance on this. You can just sit and do whatever you want to do. Nothing much and very light and very comfy.
And what's going on professional front? इस फिल्म में काम कर रही हैं?
अभी मैं फ़िलहाल तो एक जो मेरी ब्लैक प्रिंस आ रही है हॉलीवुड फिल्म है जिसमें मैं शबाना मैम का यंगर वर्जन प्ले कर रही हूँ और नाम शबाना अगेन सब शबाना उसमें मेरा एक बिकॉज वो बेबी का प्रीक्वल है तो उसमें एक मेरा छोटा सा कैमियो अगेन है एंड नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी होपफुली सून यू विल कम टू
Do you prefer working in Hollywood movies than
हॉलीवुड तो मैंने एक ही फिल्म की है अभी पहले बॉलीवुड में अपना थोड़ा और नाम कमा लूँ उसके बाद हॉलीवुड चली जाऊँगी अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली तो डेफिनेटली
Are you proud of the achievement जो प्रियंका ने या दीपिका ने बनाया है?
I think hats off to those ladies. I think they deserve it and they've reached to a certain limit and हम लोग के लिए रास्ता उन्होंने खोल दिया है which is a great thing. So I think हम लोग को उनसे inspiration definitely मिलती है कि we have to work hard and hard. How much ever we want to, like if you have to achieve something, you have to keep working hard. So
Thank you.
thank you.
प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बस कुछ नहीं, काम चल रहा है, शूटिंग चल रही है मूवीज़ की और कुछ नहीं। राम रतन फिल्म जो है उसकी शूटिंग चल रही है अभी, और फेब्रुअरी से आई एम स्टार्टिंग अनदर फिल्म विच इज़ टेंटेटिवली टाइटल, मतलब वर्किंग टाइटल जो है राही चला चल। देखते हैं अभी वो।
राम रतन में को-स्टार कौन है?
ऋषि पुटानी नया लड़का है, उन्होंने एक फ्रेंच फिल्म की है, और मेरे ख्याल से उनकी एक फिल्म अभी रिलीज़ हुई थी, आई थिंक गांधीगिरी। it's a love story, yes, with a lot of funny moments, मतलब it's comedy, क्योंकि राजपाल जी है मूवी के अंदर, सतीश जी है, तो बहुत सारे फनी एलिमेंट्स है मूवी में।
एक क्योंकि फैशनेबल मैन की फैशन की बात हो रही है, तो फैशनेबल मैन की बात क्यों ना हो?
हाँ
सलमान का बर्थडे आ रहा है,
हाँ जी।
किस तरह की तैयारी होगी आपकी और किस तरह से अपने सरप्राइज के
कोई सरप्राइज़ मतलब ऐसा तो कुछ होता नहीं है, वो खुद भी बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब प्रेपरेशन नहीं करते हैं उनके बर्थडे के लिए, बिकॉज ही लाइक्स टू कीप इट सिंपल। पूरे साल काम करते हैं वो, तो एक दिसंबर के लास्ट के थोड़े बहुत जो दिन होते हैं और जनवरी के स्टार्टिंग के थोड़े जो दिन होते हैं, ही टेक्स ऑफ एंड ही जस्ट लाइक्स टू अनवाइंड एट हिज ओन प्लेस, वेदर इट्स फार्म और मतलब कहीं और चले गए, सो ही जस्ट लाइक्स टू अनवाइंड एंड लाइक बीइंग विथ हिमसेल्फ मोर।
आप पर्सनली उनके जन्मदिन की तरफ से
हाँ, एक्साइटेड, आई मीन लाइक आई डोंट नो ये कैसा क्वेश्चन हुआ, क्योंकि दोस्त थे अच्छे, तो हाँ लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रही हूँ उनके बर्थडे के लिए, और आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ कि नहीं उनके बर्थडे के टाइम पे, बट बिकॉज ही इज़ अ फ्रेंड, सो गुड विशेज आर देयर विथ हिम ऑलवेज।
Rajat has, it's come to a point where Rajat has told me strictly that you can't wear me anymore. Because anything and everything is just Rajat. I think I only have your clothes, Rajat. I only, yeah, I don't own any other label right now when it comes to dresses.
Friends like her.
Something, or Rajat is very kind and then he gifts me.
That's sweet.
I love this. It's beautiful, guys.
It's so beautiful
It's
out
really
here.
stunning. It's so Rajat just made me wear this stunning piece by Deepa Rani. It's stunning. I can understand why you both love each other. They're very, very similar sensibilities, and Whatever I've seen is beautiful. I wish I owned all of it, but I will own some of it.
You will soon.
And in general life, how fashionable are you? You are casual or fashionable in general life?
I think I like to be very comfortable and easy, which is why Rajat keeps shouting at me. I hardly experiment, but I'm trying and learning to experiment now. And whatever I've experimented in last 1-2 years, ever since I've known Rajat, is because of him. He makes me break my rules. He makes me wear clothes and colors that I have never worn before. He shouts at me when I don't listen to him, and then I shout back at him, and then he shouts back at me, and that's how I've become friends.
So he gets his way.
But I think he's extremely talented, and it's a very beautiful friendship that I have with him. We started just as friends, and then I fell in love with his clothes, and I started wearing them. The thing about his clothes is that it sort of, at least with me, it makes you look. You look very beautiful, but yet you're very comfortable because his cuts are such that they let you breathe. They're very comfortable, they're very easy, they're beautiful, they're simple, and his embroidery, his embellishment is I mean, it's something that I have his pieces that I know I'll keep them forever. Like that white dress he made for me, I know it'll be there with me forever. And every time I see his new collection, and he's like, "Hey, it's just beautiful, I love it. And I'm like, yeah, you must be bullshitting. But when I see it, I fall in love with him and his clothes all over again. He's been talking about these two guys since last 2 years, ever since I've known him.
We've heard so much about you too.
So I know so much about you guys that is just, I was actually looking forward to this evening to meet them more than him, even though I'm wearing him. And it's interesting when artists become friends, they kind of reflect each other's sensibilities, and sometimes they're different, yet they complement each other, which is how friendship develops when you're artists. And so I think that's what both of them are all about.
Similar stuff.
And what's going on professional front? I mean, which movie you're working on?
So there is this Hindi film called Tadka, which is with Nana Patekar. I'm currently dubbing for it. So that will be released in March. Then there's this beautiful film called Gautami Putra Satakarni. The trailer of that film is launched today. It was launched at 5:30 today. And it's getting brilliant response. It's an epic story about a king from 78 AD who actually united the whole country. We haven't really spoken much about him, but he's extremely important in Indian history. And then the next other film I've done is Tamil, which is with Shimbu, which is set in 1982.
So what kind of role you're playing in Tadka?
In the third, in Tadka, I play a radio jockey who's extremely who loves food. I do love food, which came naturally. She's someone who you fall in love with. She's adorable, but yet she's very shy and she's in her own world. In Gautami Putra Satakarni, I play a princess. A very strong-spirited princess who has lots of guts and who speaks her mind. And in the Tamil film that I'm doing, I play this girl from a village in Madurai in 1982, and it's a very beautiful love story. And so they're very different films, but I'm glad that I'm doing different kind of work like that, and they all will come out now. One is in Jan, then March, and then somewhere mid-year.
Actors from Hindi and South industry are moving to Hollywood as well. Priyanka and Katrina. Katrina not. Deepika have proved their potential.
No.
Do you have also aspirations to go there? And to
Well, every actor wants their film to release in not in Moon but Mars or Jupiter. We want our films to reach out to more people, and
We want to do different kinds of films. We want to do different kinds of roles, and language does change the flavor of the people. So the kind of stories you can tell in different languages are very different. So having said that, yes, I would like to do different languages, different films, and sky is the limit. Everyone wants to do more folk. Thank you.